Ever wondered how diverse and beautiful the landscapes of Pakistan can be? As we embark on this journey, we'll discover a land that's a mosaic of captivating landscapes, a country where nature has lavished its bounties with unparalleled generosity. Imagine a land where the world's three mightiest mountain ranges, the Karakoram, the Himalayas, and the Hindu Kush, converge. Picture towering snow-capped peaks piercing the sky, their grandeur leaving you breathless. This is the northern region of Pakistan, home to some of the highest mountains on Earth, including the notorious K2, known as the Savage Mountain for its treacherous climb. From these icy heights, the terrain morphs into verdant plains, crisscrossed by mighty rivers. These fertile lands, fed by the melting glaciers of the north, are the country's breadbasket, yielding generous harvests of wheat and cotton. The plains of Punjab and Sindh, with their patchwork of golden fields and emerald orchards, paint a picture of bucolic charm. But the landscapes of Pakistan are not just about lush mountains and fertile plains. Venture further, and you'll find yourself in the arid expanses of the Thar Desert. Here, in this land of shifting sands and blazing sunsets, life has adapted in remarkable ways. Amidst the barrenness, vibrant cultures thrive, their resilience echoing in the haunting melodies of folk songs and the brilliant hues of traditional crafts. And then there's the coastal belt, where the Arabian Sea caresses the country's southern edge. From the bustling port city of Karachi to the serene beaches of Gwadar, the coastline of Pakistan offers a unique blend of bustling urban life and tranquil seaside retreats. Such is the geographical diversity of Pakistan, a land where the ruggedness of mountains, the fertility of plains, the desolation of deserts, and the allure of the coast all converge. It's a place where every landscape tells a story, where every terrain holds a secret. So, buckle up as we explore this land of contrasts, where every corner holds a new surprise. Imagine standing on the roof of the world. Welcome to the Karakoram Range. The Karakoram Range, a spectacle of nature's grandeur, stretches across three countries: Pakistan, India, and China. Here the Earth's crust has been crumpled and folded, creating a mesmerizing landscape of rugged peaks, deep valleys, and glistening glaciers. From this incredible range rises K2, the world's second highest peak, standing tall at an astonishing 8,611 meters. K2, also known as the Savage Mountain due to its extreme difficulty of ascent, is a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature. It's a place where only the bravest dare to tread, a symbol of human endurance and resilience against the harshest of elements. But it's not just the Karakoram range that captures the imagination. The Himalayas too make their presence felt in Pakistan. Home to many of the world's highest peaks, the Himalayas are a testament to the majestic beauty of our planet. The sight of their snow-capped peaks piercing the sky is nothing short of breathtaking. Yet these mountains are more than just a stunning backdrop. They are teeming with life. The alpine ecosystems within these ranges are home to a diverse array of flora and fauna. From the elusive snow leopard to the majestic markhor, Pakistan's national animal, these creatures have adapted to thrive in the harsh mountainous terrain. And let's not forget the unique and beautiful alpine flowers that bloom in the spring, adding a splash of color to the otherwise harsh landscape. The mountains also play a critical role in sustaining life in the region. They act as natural water towers, storing precipitation and melting snow, which eventually flow down into the plains as rivers, providing water for millions of people. These towering giants are not just geographical features, they are the heartbeat of Pakistan. They stand as guardians of the land, a symbol of its strength and resilience. Their majesty and grandeur captivate the hearts of those who see them, leaving an indelible imprint on their souls. These mountains, with their rugged beauty and sheer power, are indeed a sight to behold. From the heights of the mountains, we descend into the vibrant plains of Pakistan. Sweeping expanses of emerald green fields, punctuated by dots of vibrant color, welcome us as we explore the fertile plains of Punjab and Sindh. These plains, often referred to as the breadbasket of Pakistan, form the backbone of the country's agricultural economy. Underneath the warm sunshine, farmers toil the land, sowing the seeds of wheat, cotton, rice, and sugarcane, the principal crops that feed and clothe the nation. At the heart of these plains runs the mighty Indus River, the lifeline of Pakistan. This river, originating from the Tibetan plateau, meanders its way through the scenic landscapes before emptying into the Arabian Sea. It's not just water that this river provides, but life itself. The Indus River irrigates the plains, turning arid land into fertile fields, and sustains a diverse ecosystem, from fish to flocks of migratory birds. But the plains are not just about agriculture and wildlife. They are a cradle of civilization, a testament to human resilience and ingenuity. The rich cultural heritage that has flourished along the banks of the Indus River is awe-inspiring. From the ancient ruins of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, remnants of the Indus Valley civilization, to the vibrant cities of Lahore and Karachi, the plains of Pakistan have been a melting pot of cultures, traditions, and ideas. From folk music and dance that echo across the fields to the intricate art and craft that adorn the homes, every corner of these plains tells a story. The story of a people deeply rooted in their land, celebrating their heritage and embracing change. As the sun sets, painting the sky in hues of gold and crimson, the plains come alive with the echoing sounds of evening prayers, the laughter of children, and the aroma of traditional cuisine wafting through the air. It's a symphony of life, a testament to the resilience and spirit of the people who call these plains their home. These plains, teeming with life and culture, narrate tales as old as time itself. From lush green plains to the arid yet captivating deserts of Pakistan, our journey now takes us to the stark yet stunning expanses of the Thar and Cholistan deserts. At first glance, these arid landscapes may seem inhospitable, even lifeless. But look closer, and you'll find that they harbor an unexpected diversity of life and culture. The Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, straddles the border between Pakistan and India. This vast wilderness is far from barren. It's an ecosystem bustling with life, from rare desert foxes to vibrant peacocks. The resilience of these creatures is a testament to nature's tenacity, thriving where it seems impossible. Moving to the Cholistan Desert or Rohi, you'll be captivated by its unique charm. This desert is home to an ancient civilization dating back to the Indus Valley era. Today, it's home to resilient communities that have skillfully adapted to the harsh conditions. The nomadic tribes here lead a simple yet fulfilling life, their culture and traditions deeply intertwined with the desert. Their intricate embroidery, vibrant pottery, and soulful music echo the timeless beauty of this landscape. But the true beauty of these deserts is unveiled when the sun sets, making way for the starlit sky. The vast sandy plains under the celestial dome create an ethereal view that leaves one in awe. It's a sight to behold, where the silence of the night whispers tales of the desert and the twinkling stars narrate the cosmic lore. These deserts are more than just stretches of sand. They are living, breathing entities. They are a testament to the adaptability of life, the endurance of cultures, and the timeless allure of nature. They teach us that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places, and life, no matter how challenging the conditions, finds a way. The deserts of Pakistan, harsh yet beautiful, are a testament to the indomitable spirit of life. Finally, we arrive at the azure waters of the Arabian Sea, gracing Pakistan's coastline. This coastal stretch is a tapestry of contrasting landscapes, each more captivating than the last. From the bustling port city of Karachi, an economic powerhouse pulsating with life, to the serene beaches of Balochistan, where time seems to slow down, each place tells a story. Moving further, we encounter the unique mangrove forests of the Indus Delta. These forests, one of the largest in the world, are a testament to nature's resilience, standing tall against the ebb and flow of the tides. And then there's the Arabian Sea itself, a world unto its own. With its rich marine life, it's a veritable paradise for divers and marine biologists alike. Dolphins, turtles, and a plethora of fish species call these waters home, adding to the charm of Pakistan's coastline. Pakistan's coast, where the land meets the sea, is the final stroke in this masterpiece of nature. From the towering mountains to the mesmerizing coastlines, we've traversed the length and breadth of Pakistan. We embarked on a journey that took us from the enigmatic landscapes, where nature paints a breathtaking tableau of colors, to the majestic mountains that stand tall, a testament to the country's resolute spirit. We ventured into the vibrant plains, where life thrives in every nook and corner, bustling with energy and diversity. We then experienced the stark beauty of the Arid Deserts, a testament to the resilience and adaptability that define Pakistan. Finally, we were captivated by the coastal charm, a blend of tranquility and dynamism that encapsulates the very essence of life here. Each of these landscapes, unique in their own way, contributes significantly to the country's identity and economy. Pakistan, a land of contrasts and surprises, truly is a geographer's